Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Happy holidays, honeycrunchers! In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this design. First, I'm applying top to bottom base coat. Then 2 coats of Magic Moment. Then I'm using Orly's striper brush. Then I'm painting 2 lines to create a closed space. Then I'm filling it up with the shade Lips Like Sugar. Then I'm using the shade In the Groove for the other side. After letting it dry, I'm stamping a snowflake design on the middle. And after all of that, I'm sealing it in with top to bottom. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Happy holidays. Bye.